In this video, we will demonstrate the steps to take when creating a push group for Active Directory in Okta. Group push can be used to create new groups or link to existing groups and manage the membership of those groups from Okta. Let's get started. Create a new Okta group or use an existing Okta group. In this example, we will use an existing Okta group named Test Push Group. From the admin console, navigate to Directory, then select Directory Integrations. Select your Active Directory domain, then navigate to the Push Groups menu. From here, select Add Push Groups and select Find Groups by name. In the Find Group search bar, search for the Okta group you wish to push to Active Directory. Be sure to select the Okta group from the drop-down menu. Expand the root domain of your Active Directory and select the OU you wish to push the group to in Active Directory. If an Active Directory group does not yet exist, simply select the OU where you wish to place the new Active Directory group. If an Active Directory group of the same name already exists in Active Directory, selecting the OU will be sufficient to find the group. If you wish to use an existing AD group with a different name, select Link Group and type the name of the group you wish to use. Select the Active Directory group from the drop-down menu. Take note that linking this group will rename the group in Active Directory. As a final step, be sure to select the Save option once the push group configuration is set as desired. Now you have successfully created a push group for Active Directory in Okta. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.